guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to do a fall look. I was out driving the other day and the leaves are gorgeous. Fall in Montana only lasts like a week, so the leaves are falling super fast and we'll have snow before you know it. But in the meantime, let's do a really pretty fall look. I've got a couple palettes here with pretty fall colors in them. I'm not real sure what I'm doing for this look, but we'll find out. I have my eyeshadow, Disney eyeshadow palette from Target. I love this palette, but apparently it's now sold out. I have my sunlite yellow palette for the gorgeous gold tones for, you know, the falling leaves and everything. Love that palette, it is gorgeous. And then I have my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. This has some really pretty deep reds in it that are beautiful, also very reminiscent of fall. So I'm going to start off with the Disney palette and use the lighter shade. It's taken me a little bit to figure out this very lightest one over here is a shimmer. A very pretty shimmer too. And I'm just going to take my Wayne Goss brush and put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to take this kind of rusty brown right here and deepen up my crease and outer corner. Every time I use this palette, I am so impressed. I hope they bring it back because it is such good quality. So now I'm going to go into that red right there and deepen up my outer corner. And I'm just going to use a smaller blending brush. And I'm just bringing that up and blending it into that other matte and about halfway across my lid. Well, probably a little more than halfway. This eye is more like I meant to do, but hey, doesn't really matter. So now I have my Sunlit Yellow palette and I'm just gonna take this deep browny, dead leaf looking yellow right there, or brownish yellow, mustard yellow, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lid. It's all gonna be matte right now. And I'm just blending that and pulling that into the red a little bit for the sort of faded fall leaf look. So now I'm going to take this lightest matte yellow and put that on my inner corner using a domed brush. This shade is so bright that it just pops out whatever you put over the top of it, and I am going to put a shimmer there in a second. So now I'm going to take this goldy shimmery color here, it looks like that, and I'm just going to put that on a damp brush right in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to take this deeper brown glitter and just put that around the outside of it a little bit on this outer corner. And blend those with my finger. I have some fallout here. Juvia's Place can be kind of staining. I'm going to take some micellar water and just wipe that off. And then I'm going to do my concealer real quick. Now I'm going to take my Stila liquid glitter, shake it, and put this on my inner corner. This is in Rose Gold Retro. And now I'm going back into the Disney palette to do my lower lash line. This is the Wayne Goss number 19 brush. It is so little and perfect. And I'm just going back to that deep red and bringing it around my lower lash line. I'm gonna pick up some more of that super pretty gold that's in here. And then I'll highlight my brow bone using this same light color. And now I'm going to prime my lashes with this Smashbox Lash Primer. And while that dries down, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar blush in Make Them Blush. And I'm going to bronze just a little bit with my Butter Bronzer from Pacific Formula. And I found this brush here, which I don't know what this brush was supposed to be for. It's perfect for me for bronzer. It's not so thick, it puts it on heavy. My lashes should be dried down, so I'm going to use my Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I do my eyeliner after I do my mascara. I'm not sure how I got in that habit, probably from doing false lashes when I do eyeliner after I put my lashes on. I'm going to do this eyeliner from my Project Pan. One would think that I'd be about through with it. It's the Super Cat eyeliner. And now for my very inner corner, I'm going to use my Pacifica Rainbow Halo Drops. These things are so beautiful, and they're soft, and they feel good and smell good. Because I have on this deep colored shirt, I'm going to use my Smashbox in Misconduct, which is super deep, and I'm going to use my Pretty Vulgar lip gloss, and I'm just patting it on with some tissue paper to smush it in there and make it sort of shimmery in the center. Now for highlight, I'm using my Smashbox stick highlighters. Love these. And I'm just going to use that second darkest shade and a little bit of this bright color for a blush topper. And then for my final step, to give me a nice glowy look, I'm going to use the Peach Blur powder from Too Faced. I love this stuff. And then to set, I'll use my Skindinavia setting spray. And just for my final thing, I need to put a layer of waterproof eyeliner on. Fall in Montana is very unpredictable. That's gonna do it for my fall look today. I hope you like this look. I love fall. I think it's so pretty. I wish it lasted longer here. I know in most places fall is an entire season. Here, unfortunately, it's just a couple weeks, so you enjoy it while you can. A lot of times we end up with snow on top of our fall leaves, so it really doesn't last long. Let me know what your favorite thing about fall is, and if you're doing a fall inspired makeup, let me know below so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!